In a bowl, combine brown sugar, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Coat your ham on all sides. Cover the ham with foil and place it on the grill in indirect heat for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the foil and cook uncovered for an additional 15 minutes. You can find more delicious ham recipes on our website. My ham and cheese croissants are filled with gooey melted cheese and are super easy to make. Spread fig butter on each side of the croissant. Add sliced ham, Swiss cheese, and arugula. Brush the top of the croissant with warmed honey and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning. Bake on a greased baking sheet for 6 to 8 minutes. You can find more easy ham recipes on our website. These buttery garlic green beans are the perfect side dish and are made in under 5 minutes. Add water to your Instant Pot and then add the green beans. Cook on high pressure. Quick release the pressure and remove the water and the green beans. Switch your Instant Pot to sauté mode. Add in your butter and garlic. Stir in your green beans and sauté with the garlic butter sauce. Top with Parmesan cheese. This is the perfect side dish for one of those really busy weeknights. You can find more side dish ideas on our website. My ham and cheese pinwheels are the perfect appetizer for any party. On a lightly floured surface, roll the puff pastry dough into a 9 by 12 rectangle. Evenly place the ham slices on the dough, leaving about a 1/4 inch border along the edges. Spread the cheese evenly over the ham. Sprinkle garlic powder on top of the cheese. Roll the dough into a log and press gently on the edge to seal. Roll it into parchment paper and set it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice into 12 equal pieces. Place them onto a lined baking sheet. Bake for 28 to 30 minutes or until the dough is golden brown. Brush with melted butter and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning. You can find more easy ham recipes on our website. My scalloped potatoes with ham is so creamy and easy to make. Thinly slice your potatoes on a mandolin. Melt butter in a large saucepan. Add flour and whisk until a thick paste forms. Very slowly pour in the milk, and then the heavy cream, whisking until it's thick and creamy. Add in shredded cheese, salt, and pepper. Place half the sliced potatoes, half of the onions, and half of your ham into the baking dish. Cover with the cheese sauce. Add the remaining potatoes, onions, salt, pepper, and cheese sauce. Cover with foil and bake for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add a layer of cheese on top and bake uncovered for an additional 20 minutes. You can find more easy ham recipes on our website.